bienvenue sur notre chaîne. J'espère que vous allez bien. Je m'appelle Khezran. Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. My name is Khezran and today I'm going to teach you French language. Okay, so if you are learning French language for the first time, so this video is very important for you. You have to learn first the alphabet and its pronunciation. You have to know how to pronounce it correctly. Okay, fine. Let's get started at once. I'm not going to waste your time. Allons-y et répétez après moi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So how it was? I know that it was tough for you if you are listening for the first time or you are an ultimate beginner. So let me start it again. Let me repeat it again. Nous allons répéter encore une fois. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I think you notice that where it is pronounced in the same way and where it is pronounced in a different way. Suppose you say A in English. In French you say A. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. So 7 alphabets are pronounced same as in English, like F, L, M, N, O, S, and Z. For that you don't need to do any hard work. But I think the main problem for those who are not native speakers is that how to pronounce R. You say in English R, but in French you say R. R. And then when you say also Y. When in English you say Y, but in French you say Y. And then in English you say W, in French you say W. That is only the main point where you need to work hard, but the rest are not difficult. And if you have any doubt, then let us know in the comment box. So we will contact you later. And I hope that you enjoy watching our video. And I hope to see you next time in other lesson. And please like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon and bye bye. Au revoir et à bientôt.